Ludwig.
Hello.
Kasama mo? Kasama mo? Sharp what?
0.3.
The kilometers. What? The kilometer is fine. It's like bent.
Ayun. Ano ba?
Oo. Ay, 0.2 pa.
Hindi pa. It's not the way. Only 0.2 pa, 0.2 miles.
0.2 then less.
Point. This is the 64.
At the light, turn left onto the ramp to Staunton. Then you'll take the I-64 West ramp to Staunton.
Layo pala natin. Pauwi lang to. We will stop there in the Shenandoah.
Take the I-64 West ramp.
I-64 West ramp. You go to the east means we're lost, yeah? Balik lang to eh.
Yeah, we're going to Charlottesville now. Anong gagawin natin mamaya din?
Continue on I-64 West for 5 miles.
How to survive ano ba? How to survive a bear.
Awe? How to survive what?
A bear attack. Sabi ni Lian kasi, let's get out of here. Sightings of bears.
Don't run. I mean, don't, ano ba sa bear?
If it's black,
Blaze black.
kailangan make yourself bigger. If it's brown,
Magano ka, back out ka, pero hindi mo lilingunin. Ay, hindi ka tatalikod pa? O,
plated when it's a brown bear.
pag polar bear. Dito lang kami, dito kami dito.
Dad, doon, Dad. Dad. Yeah, it's good to know.